Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see what is the keyed services in ASP.NET Core, or what's the scenario where we should use this keyed services. But first let me tell you that whenever we try to implement the services of the same service interface, in this scenario we have to use the keyed services, or I will tell you the problems, what the causes is done if we don't use the keyed services. Okay, so without getting any, so let's get started with the main content. So what I will do here, this is the .NET 10 application, or I will implement the keyed services. So first, what I will do here, okay, I will create an interface. Okay, so I will just name it. I will take a new item. Okay, and the item I will take here I registration .cs. Okay, so here I have took the interface. Now what I will do here, I will define a method. Okay, registration, that's it. After that, what you have to do, simply I will create two another services. Okay, two another services for what? For student registration .cs. Okay, or along with that I will add a new service. Okay, uh, let's keep the code in the separate file so that it's a good thing. Okay, teacher registration superb. Now what I will do here, I will try to implement this registration service into in these services. Okay, so simply what I will do here, simply I will try to uh, implement this registration method. Okay, so and it will return me the student registration completed. Along with that, I will do same with the teachers registration. Okay, done. Or let me introduce the I registration here. Okay, or simply in the program CS, what I will do here, simply I will just register my services. Okay, so build services add scoped. Okay, or I will just use the things here. Okay, I think let me go here. Okay, so I registration or student registration superb, or I will do the same here for the teacher registration superb. Awesome. Now we have registered our services successfully with the scoped. Or if I uh, go through you the again that I have registered the I have created the registration method. Okay, or implementation of registration method is developed in the student registration class or the teacher registration class. Okay, superb. Now what I will do here, I will create a minimal APIs. Okay, so first app.map get. Okay, or I will just use here the I will just call the registration, that's it. Along with that, I will create uh, delegates in the second parameter. In the second parameter, I will just use the registration registration interface here. Okay, services. So now what I will do here, simply I will call this registration. Okay, so I will just use the services dot registration superb, or I will just return the data results dot okay. With the okay status, I will return the data that is written this method. Okay, So we have successfully implemented the registration APIs. Okay, or we have registered these services. But if you run this code, if I hit this API, then we will see the result that teacher registration completed. Like why this message is captured? Why not student registration completed? Because if you go there, so this implementation override by the teacher registration, because whenever we try to implement the methods of the same service interface, then in this scenario the the very last of the implementation of that service interface will be override. Okay, like it will override to the previous one. So here is the things that come with the with the same implementation of in the different services class. Okay, so here is the thing we have done here. Now what's the solution of this thing, like how to resolve this problem? I will to use the both methods one by one. So like what's this helpful scenario for this? So here the concept comes of keyed services. Okay, or what is the keyed services? Whenever you try to implement the services of the same interface, in that way you should use the keyed services, because it allows you to register and resolve the multiple implementation. So this resolve the classic problem. Okay, so like don't like it is a very good thing of the keyed services. And why should you use the keyed services? Because if you see in before .NET 8, we use we had to use named options, factory pattern, manual I service provider, and after get service method, and we just use the custom service locator. So there are a lot of stuffs we need to do at that time. Okay, now if you see that what is the keyed services, so simply what I will do here, I will just register the add scoped, add keyed scoped. Super. Or if I just add here add keyed scoped, so I will register these implementation using the add keyed scoped. Okay, or I will just name it as a student. Like I will decide the key, or here I will decide the teacher. Okay, superb. Or if you go through this thing, so we have decided the keys as well. Okay, or this is a very good thing to see that we have implemented the add keyed scoped using the keys. Okay, or I think it's not a good idea to put the keys directly here. Okay, so first what I will do here, I will create the enums. Okay, so what I will do here, I will just use the student and teacher enums, or I will just use here, so that our code should looks clean and modern. Okay, or I will just use the enum service dot teacher. So we have done a very important step here. Or now what I will do here, I will create the separate APIs. So what I will do here, okay, so I have passed the thing here, or I will just call here student registration or teacher registration. Superb. And what I will do here, I will just use the attribute which is from keyed services, or in the from keyed services, what I will call here, simply I will just call this key. Okay, like I will just put the key name here, that's it. So what it will done here, it will do whenever I hit this registration student registration API, So it will go to the student registration instance. Okay, or if I use the from keyed services here, okay, or I will just name I will just use the teacher instance. So pub, so there I have just used the student and the teachers key. Or if I run this code, so we will see the results will give me the different results using this key. So here is the concept of keyed services comes in with the ASP.NET Core, and it is a very good thing about the keyed services. Okay, like you don't need to do any separate implementation, just you have to add the keys to your services. Okay, then you will get the student registration completed. Okay, or if I just call this teachers registration, then we will get the teacher registration completed. So here is the way to implement the keyed services and why we use the keyed services in ASP.NET Core. If you love this content, if you love this video, just hit the like button, share this video to your friends or colleagues on network as well. Or guys, I just want to tell you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is an important update that we are planning to give you a full tutorial on the MVC.NET Core in .NET 10 framework. Okay, or we are planning to give you the full-fledged tutorial on it, or it will be around 2-3 hours of video. So stay connected to my YouTube channel or keep subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get the latest notification about our YouTube channel to you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, or till then take care, bye bye, have a good day.